Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change 2017 Chevy Traverse headlight, updated. Begin by parking on level ground, disconnecting the battery, and opening the hood to access the headlight housing. Remove the fasteners at the top and inside wheel arch, pull the housing forward slightly, unplug the bulb connector, twist out the old bulb, and install the new bulb securely. Reconnect wiring, test headlights, and reattach fasteners carefully. Prepare the right tools and wear gloves to protect the bulb and your hands. You'll need a 10 mm socket, flat screwdriver, and the correct replacement bulb specified for the 2017 Traverse. Work with the engine cool and battery disconnected, then loosen fasteners, move the housing, and change the bulb using a firm twist. Test the beam alignment and secure all fasteners before driving for safe night visibility. If unsure, consult a manual. Access the inner wheel arch if needed by turning the wheel and removing clips with a trim tool. Unscrew the visible bolts and reach behind the headlight to release retaining tabs, then gently pull the housing forward, keeping track of all fasteners. Unplug electrical connectors and remove the bulb by twisting, avoiding contact with glass. Reinsert the new bulb, reverse the steps carefully, reconnect the battery, and verify light operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.